Hello, my dear friends.
Welcome back to my video.
I hope you are happy and doing well today. Today I want to share something very important and very helpful. How you can learn English fast. Some people feel confused when they start, but English is not so hard if you follow the right steps. You do not need any special skills, just the right method and daily practice. Remember, small progress is still progress. Step 1 is to practice every day, slow and clear. As practice is the key to success, try to speak a little English every day. Even just one sentence. You can do this alone. Using self-talk. Self-talk means describing what you are doing in English, like, I am waking up, or I am cooking. This helps your brain. Start thinking in English. Step 2 is to listen every day. Calm tone. Because listening is very powerful for pronunciation and rhythm. You can listen to English songs, news, or short conversations. Don't worry if you do not understand everything at first. Think about a baby. A baby listens first and then starts speaking and step by step. Step 3 is to read every day to learn new words and sentences. Start with easy content, like short stories or children's books. Try to read out loud to improve your speaking and your confidence. Step 4 is to write every day to make your English clear and strong. Start small. Write a few sentences about your day or your future plans. This helps you organize your thoughts and improve your grammar. Important tips. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Every mistake teaches you something new. Repetition is very important because if you stop, you forget. Enjoy the learning process. Make it fun. Watch movies, listen to songs so it doesn't feel like a burden. At first, you may feel nervous or shy, but slowly, your fear will become confidence. Follow these 4 steps. Speak, listen, read, and write. And you will see a big improvement. Start today with a small routine. Speak 1 sentence, listen for 5 minutes, read 1 page, and write 3 lines. Never feel ashamed, and never compare yourself with others, because your journey is your own. Even if you learn only 1 word a day, you are moving forward. On days when you feel tired or want to quit, remember your dream and the person you want to become. One day, you will speak English confidently, and you will look back and say, "Yes, I did it." Believe in yourself. Trust the process and stay consistent. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.